Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today I have this wig on. For today I'm going to be doing a clown tutorial look type thing. Kind of gonna wing it. It's probably gonna be a whole mess. I was thinking of doing something like really like bold and scary, but I forgot to get one thing for it and now I can't do it. The wig is a little wonky right now, but you're gonna see why later on because we're just gonna wonk it up. But this wig is from TrendyWigs and I'll leave all my information down below if you want to go cop this wig. But I have an idea of what I want to do, so we're gonna see how it turns out. I might just delete this whole video because it comes out trash. To start off, I already have my brows on and I'm just gonna use my Professional primer. So I'm just gonna use that on my pore area, and I'm doing base makeup like right away because the whole look is based off the face, so I have to have the face done before I actually try to do anything else. This primer smells so good. It kind of smells like perfume, which can be a bad thing, but like at the same time it smells like really good. So like for foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation and this is in the shade 260. So I'm just gonna put like 2 little squirts right there. I'm just gonna use a Sigma fat kabuki brush. Oh, not fat, it's flat. I should be using a what's it called? Oh, a beauty blender, but I'm lazy to clean them, so we're using my fat kabuki brush. So we're gonna ignore the fact that I look white as hell, and I'm just gonna move on to concealer. And I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer for under the eyes, and I'm just gonna put some up here too. To blend that out, I'm gonna use a angled foundation brush, and this is from Dodolashes. I love how this brush blended out the concealer. Like, it looks good as hell. So I'm gonna move on straight to the eyes. I already have tape on. I'm just gonna do eyeliner and lashes because I want the main focus to be like the actual clown effect type thingamajigger. So I'm just gonna do a winged eyeliner and then we're gonna wear lashes, and then the rest of the look is basically just trying to look like a clown. Of course I fucked up. This is why I hate eyeliner so much, like literally so much. I finished my eyeliner off camera because it was really annoying me, and I put on the biggest lashes I own, which are my AliExpress ones, and they are humongous. So now we're gonna move on to the actual clown thingamajigger, which I'm excited about. We're gonna start with the under part up here, and then we're gonna do a lot cool stuff. I'm gonna use a powder brush instead of a beauty blender. I should have set this a long time ago, and I'm probably gonna be really creasy, but you know what, YOLO. This trick has been helping me a little bit, setting it with a powder brush instead of a beauty blender, because whenever I set with a beauty blender now, it just cakes up really badly, and I don't know why, but I'm not gonna question it. It looks good right now, so we're gonna move on. For the under part, it's like black, and then I want to do like the clowns that have like, I don't know, you'll see in a second. I have 3 palettes here, and I think the darkest blacks are in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and this Twilight palette from IMovie. That one actually might be the winner. You know what, I'm just gonna take both the Twilight and the Morphe 35B. I'm gonna take this flat kind of like fat brush, and I'm gonna take the black, and we're gonna run that super close under my eyeball, and then we're gonna bring it down. But for now we're gonna just keep it right up down here, and it doesn't have to really be clean because this is supposed to be like a messy clown look. So I'm just like running it down like so, and then lightly we're gonna start bringing it down into like a triangle shape, sorta like that. I think I'm gonna use like a smaller brush for this. I'm gonna use this like pencil brush, and just to get like a precise line, I'm just gonna drag it and do all that. Just being real messy because it's supposed to be a clown, and clowns are messy. So just like that, super messy, super crazy looking. Oh my god, I look crazy. So to blend out the edges, I'm going to take this MSQ brush, and let's see. I have the 35B palette here with me, and I have this palette now. Ooh, okay, wait, let me see the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, because this kind of looks a little pinky. Probably not going to use this one. I'll probably use this. Let me see. So I'm just going to blend in these colors. Like that. And I'm going to do the same on the other eye. And if you lost any like pigment, I'm just going to go into the Take Me Back to Brazil. I'm just going to add a little bit more, and then we're going to just blend it out again. They're scary. They're running around. Their makeup's gonna smudge. So you don't want it to be perfect. I'm going to do the triangle but on my eyebrow. So I'm gonna take the black from the Morphe 35B and just going to start off with a triangle like that. And then I'm gonna take the pencil brush just to be more precise and bring it more up like that. And then I'm gonna take my reds again and blend this out. Okay, this is what I got so far from just blending out these colors. I have this like pinky reddish color, but I'm gonna add more red to it. I'm just gonna put this on for now because I gave my mom all my red lipsticks because I don't wear red lipstick. Now that we have that, I'm gonna take the red from the Morphe 35B with the pencil brush, and it doesn't really matter since there's red. I'm going to follow this into the lines on my face. Now for my nose, I'm going to take another brush. I'm just going to take a random flat brush. I'm just going to take the red from the 35B. Most of the colors I'm using is the 35B, just to let you know. But since it's discontinued, you can use any palette, I guess, that has a lot of colors. I'm also going to use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette because it has like a deeper red. So I'm going to use that to like blend a little bit. I'm also going to take a little bit of black too, just to darken up the red. And then I'm going to take the other brush that just has red on it and just blend everything in. So once you got that, that's pretty much it. But I'm just going to tease the wig a little bit to get it like kind of scary looking. I have some vampire blood. Let me see. Let me sure. And I'm just gonna I look super crazy right now, and I really like this look. It looks super crazy, super dramatic. Ew, I hate that I smile and it's like, no, I'm not even gonna smile. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to recreate this look, tag me in any pictures in Instagram. Also props to James Charles. I seen his Instagram picture and that was my main inspiration for this look. Check out TrendyWigs for this wig if you want to recreate this specific look. I feel like it looks really cool with a red and black wig just like this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe down below for some more videos. I almost forgot my outro once again, but yeah, I'll see you guys next week with another video. Peace out. Bye.